Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, DCSPO292. We're going to talk about common courtesy. So you ask yourself, what is common courtesy? Common courtesy is another way of saying the practice of being kind or nice to others. Another question you ask yourself, why is it important? Why should I care if somebody recognizes that I speak or not speak? It's a good question. So let me ask you a question and maybe you can answer your own question. How do you feel when you're not having a good day? Or if you're walking down the street and somebody just says hello or they wave to you and you don't know this person, or this person compliments you on an outfit that you have, or they compliment you on how they notice that you do your job well, that you speak to others. How does it make you feel? In my case, it makes me feel good. I smiles. So just put yourself in that person's place. I know. I hear what you're saying. DCSPO 292. Sometimes when I speak to people, they won't speak back. They have an attitude. They're directing their anger or their problems at me. Is that fair? No. But it comes with the job. And it's a job that you signed up to do. Again, who said the job was going to be easy? But you decided it was something about you that says, I can be a great security officer, or I can be a great special police officer. It's something that I bring that I can help make a difference to people that I meet from one day to the next. Say if you're a people person, that's great. Say if you know how to communicate, that's great. You can de-escalate a hostile situation, that's great. That's all a part of just common courtesy. Just letting people know, I see you, I recognize you, I'm aware that you're there. It's not to gain any type of friendship, but it's to let people know that you're doing your job and you taking pride in doing your job. Also, when you speak, you gain a rapport with people that you never know. If you decide you want to do something else or choose another career, they can introduce you or put you in contact with somebody that can help you. Do you think they'll be more willing to help you if you're being rude, you're not speaking, you're ignoring them, and you're not an approachable person? Or do you think they'll be more willing to help you if they know that you're one that speaks, if you have a pleasant attitude, you are approachable, and that you are very sociable to everyone that you meet or come in contact with? So just keep that in mind wherever you're on duty and you're in uniform. You step outside your uniform and you put yourself in that person's place. Are you always in a good mood? Are you always smiling? Are you always cheerful? No. But sometimes when you are down or when you are going through something, doesn't it help you when you know that you have somebody to talk to or somebody that's paying attention or recognizing that you are not having a good day? It goes a long way. That determines whether or not you either stay mad for the rest of the day or you have a smile on your face. So learn to do that for others. Believe it or not, it's going to make you feel good right here. That just a simple hello or a simple good morning, it made that person have a better or pleasant day. Or in a more serious situation, I'll share a brief situation I had. I worked in the child support division. We all know people that are coming to child support or come for one reason or another. And I had the pleasure of just speaking to everyone. And one individual that I spoke to, she asked to speak to me after she conducted her business with child support. And she thanked me. And I asked her, well, why are you thanking me? She said, because when you spoke to me, it let me know that somebody recognized me and seen me, because I had every intentions on harming myself after I left here because I was going through so much. That really made me want to speak even more. So you never know what somebody is going through or dealing with. But please, 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 please take the time just to speak. It doesn't cost anything and it's not going to kill you. So with that, until I see you again, you take care of yourself.